Good morning, this is sexologist, sex therapist and sex coach Dr. Uttam Dave. I am also trained to handle the relationship and sexual issues of gay, lesbian and bisexual men and women. So let's begin with the discussion topic of today, which is how to manage the questions of your parents after you come out to them. Now, what happens is when you come out to your parents, they will have a lot of questions. Some of the common questions which my patients have been asked by their parents is, how do you know, or how can you be sure? Even questions like you haven't tried very hard with the opposite sex, or things like, it's just a passing phase and it will go away. Even when I was your age, I used to feel that kind of attraction and then it vanished, and here I am with your mother, and things like that. So you will have to face a lot of questions like that. And of course, you know that you are attracted sexually to somebody of the same sex, and that's not going to go away. The thing is that you have to convince them about the stability of your own sexual orientation. So how do you go about doing that? The first thing there are of course many things you can do. I'm just going to mention some of the things which will prepare you to manage their questions in a much better way. The first thing you do even before you kind of come out to your parents is that you need to do a lot of self-preparation, in the sense that you need to prepare for the kind of questions you might be asked by your parents, which means that you look up a lot of topics on Google and see how those questions are answered on Google. The second thing which you can do is you can actually rehearse out a conversation with your trusted friend. Your trusted friend could act as a surrogate parent, and you have to come out to them. So that is the way you can actually rehearse a interview with your parent. The third thing which you can do is, if I'm sure there are many helplines for gay, lesbian and bisexual men and women, so you could also speak to them and take some guidance from them as to how to handle these questions which have been posed by your parents. Also, almost every big city now has a gay youth group, so you could also get in touch with them and find out some of the answers which you may not have for yourself. So once you are equipped with these kind of answers, then you should kind of disclose your sexual orientation, so that you are in a much better position to convince them about the stability of your own sexual orientation, and how it is not something which is very passing, or something which is very temporary, and something which is going to go away after I meet women and things like that. So I hope this little video will help you to manage the question posed by your parents. In case if you have any sexual or relationship problems, feel free to contact me. My clinic is at Andheriwest, opposite DN Nagar metro station. Thank you once again for watching this video.